Greetings! So this is the last video of the year. 2018 is coming to an end, and this video is a little recap of some of my highlights from 2018. Okay, so to kick things off, in 2018 I got sponsored by or became a brand ambassador for Becauseracecarbox, and over the year I've had a few different boxes that I've done videos on, and each one I felt was like an opportunity to do a cool, fun, creative intro for. So I had a lot of fun doing them. I had a lot of fun opening up the boxes and checking out all the cool stuff inside. So a big thank you to them for sponsoring me, and a big thank you to you for checking out all my videos on them. So here is a little montage of some of those intros that I did for the Becauseracecarbox videos. Check it out. Okay, so in at number 2 then, we have the Ford Fair in Northern Ireland, which is called the Causeway Coast Ford Fair, and that's up in Portrush. So I've been to that before, but it's a highlight for me this year because it's the first time that I ever displayed a car there, and that was in my Fiesta ST, and it was a whole new experience. It really sort of made the whole show like even better for me, you know, because in the past I just went as a walk-in person, just looking around and checking it out. But you know, this time it meant that I did a lot of prep and I was sort of more involved, and it was just really fun and really cool. So it was a great show, it was a great day, I had a lot of fun. Check out this little clip. So from the Causeway Coast Ford Fair to my number 3 highlight, which is actually also a Ford Fair, but a different Ford Fair. It was the big Ford Fair in Silverstone over in England. So I did a bunch of traveling over the summer this year, back and forth to England mostly. I hatched this plan to go to Ford Fair because I knew that I was going to be in the approximate region. So I was like, yeah, let's make this happen. So I wasn't in my own car, I had just flown in, and then a very good friend of mine, Tom, came and drove me all the way there. So big thanks to Tom, go check him out, I'll put a link down below to his Instagram. And yeah, it was such an awesome experience. It was so much bigger and grander, there's so much more going on than the Causeway Coast Ford Fair that I'm used to. Like, I've never been to such a big car event. It was awesome, and of course it was all Ford, and we got to see so many like cool cars, like the Ford GT, which in the clip that I'm going to show you very soon, there's a clip of the Ford GT doing donuts, which was unbelievably cool. And yeah, there was people out on track, there was loads of people, and I met lots of really awesome folks that I met through doing this stuff, and it was just a great experience. So I loved it, and I can't wait to go again. So here is a little clip from Ford Fair at Silverstone this year.
use the hashtag Ford Fair and at Ford Fair on all your social media. Oh! Oh! Are you kidding me? Oh! Ladies and gents, give me a huge round of applause. Does he have the best job in the world, or what? Or what, ladies and gentlemen, we give you the Ford Performance Foundry, the Mustang GT ST RS.
So leading on from that awesome experience at Ford Fair, I sort of touched on it there that I had met a bunch of people who I have become friends with through my social media stuff, through YouTube, through Instagram and all that stuff, and that was really, really awesome. And that in itself to me is a highlight, because that is this growing sense of community like that I feel part of, and I think that's just awesome, like making new friends who are also Ford and car in general enthusiasts like me. You know, they're in places that that mean that otherwise I wouldn't necessarily have had the opportunity to meet them. So you know, it's awesome that YouTube and Instagram and all these social media that I've been, you know, doing in recent years has, you know, brought us together, and you know, it's really cool to have met everyone. This year has been, you know, bigger than any year before. You know, I've had a lot more activity on like in the comments section of lots of videos. It's just so awesome, and thank you so much for being part of the community, for watching my videos. Here's some little clips. Oh, here's one. Yeah, that looks about right, yeah. Oh, we found another one. This is Jordan Yates' car. Find the last one. Alright, next up is my slight obsession with carbon fiber. So, if you've been following me for any length of time, you'll see me doing a bunch of mods. Back with the Fiesta, I did a bunch of carbon stuff. In particular, the carbon fiber rear wing, I think, was my highlight of carbon fiber on the Fiesta. It was just so visually impactful, if that's even the right word. And yeah, I just absolutely loved that. And there was a bunch of other stuff too, like the mirror caps and everything. And that is just continued as well now with the Focus, as you have seen if you've watched my videos. And it's going to keep continuing. I have further plans with the Focus to do even more carbon stuff. So here is a little montage, a little set of clips of some carbon stuff that I've done in 2018. Alright, in at number 6, upping the output of my videos and Instagram too, but mainly I've been focusing this year on just kicking out as many videos as I can. I've basically made it a weekly sort of thing since around like February time, and it's been, you know, a fair bit of work. You know, given how busy things are with me and my outside of YouTube life, but it's been a blast, and you know, doing lots of mod videos, doing lots of discussion videos, the occasional vloggy type thing here and there. It's just been, you know, great, and you know, there's been a lot of positive reaction on my channel, and you are part of that. So I have to thank you. Thank you so much for being part of that and supporting me. And if you're a subscriber, like I said before, thank you so much. It really does mean the world to me. Every single subscriber means a lot to me, and I really do appreciate it. So, you know, here is some clips. If you know, you know. Greetings. 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 Alright, next up is something a little bit different. So, you'll probably know if you watch any of my stuff that I am a fan of fast forwards. I mean, I don't try and hide that at all. I absolutely love my fast forwards, from my Fiesta ST, which was awesome, to the new Focus RS, which is even more awesome. And this year, 2018, I had the opportunity to drive a different brand, a different kind of vehicle altogether, really. Something that I wouldn't normally drive. It was a John Cooper Works Mini Countryman, which is like quite a big sort of SUV style of car, but still pretty sporty and fast. And I have to say, I really enjoyed it. I really loved doing the road test of it, and you know, it was something a bit different. I don't do that many road tests. You know, I've done a couple, like maybe a couple of years ago, but it's not something that I do very often. I mean, it is something that I would be interested in doing more. So if that's something you want to see, you know, let me know down below. If you watched that video, thank you very much. Did you like it? If there anything that I could improve on, let me know down below. I just know that I really enjoyed it, and it was definitely cool to see what other brands are doing in comparison to Fords, in particular fast Fords. So yeah, I had a blast doing that. Here's some clips from that video. But then, plastics. So, I mean, in a car that costs what it does, I would like a little bit nicer trim. You're just going just to get those pops and bangs just all the time, as much as possible, just because I think that's absolutely hilarious. But it's probably not very good on fuel economy. It's probably not very practical. You don't get anywhere fast doing that, but it's a whole lot of fun. Alright, next up, I mentioned that I did a bunch of travelling this year, so I was back and forth to England. I was away off somewhere sunny as well, but yeah, I mean, it was really cool, and it gave me some opportunities for different styles of videos and also Instagram posts, which was really cool. And one of the places that I got to go was London. So being a car enthusiast, it seemed like a good opportunity to go and hunt down some supercars, which is exactly what I did. I think I sold it to the wife that we were, you know, going for a nice day out in London, and you know, might see a few cool cars here and there, but really I had done a little bit of looking up as to where the best spots were, and we went and saw quite a lot of cool cars actually. So here is a bunch of clips of some awesome cars that I saw in London. Let's go! So here's a Lambo. Not as epic as the other one, but yes, this is, so yeah, Lambo, very nice, but GT2 RS. Huracan Performante, beautiful. And we have another just regular Aventor. An Aston Martin Signet. Nice 488. Alright, number 9. So being a car enthusiast, most car enthusiasts enjoy detailing their cars, and I'm no different. I love detailing stuff, and this year, 2018, I kind of really tried to expand my knowledge and expand the brands and different types of products that I use. Really just, you know, trying out so many different things, because there's so much out there, so many different types of products that do similar kind of things, but different things, and do them in different ways. So I really wanted to just check out more stuff, and that's exactly what I did, and I learned a lot, and I had an absolute blast doing it, and I kind of have a different perspective on my detailing now. So here is a super duper montage of all of that sort of stuff in 2018. So at the start of this video I said that this was not in any particular order, which it wasn't, but I have left the biggest highlight for me to the end, and that is getting the Focus RS. It's something that I wanted to do for a long time. You know, I'm obviously, as I've said before, big fan of Ford, big fan of fast Fords, and driving the Fiesta ST that I had done for you know, years prior to this, I absolutely loved it. I absolutely loved everything about it, and the whole fast Ford thing it's just something that I've been really passionate about for a long time. So obviously I knew about the RS, and I knew that I really wanted one. So in 2018 I finally had the opportunity to get one, so I did, and no regrets. I absolutely love it. It's a beast. So yeah, here is some clips of the RS, including lots and lots of cool sounds. Yes, my Focus RS. It's been a crazy year, it's been a busy year making videos, but it's been awesome. I thank you once again for being supportive of my channel and watching my videos. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really, really appreciate it. I hope you had a great 2018, and I hope you have a great 2019. I'm looking forward to it. I'm hoping that you will be along for the ride. Thank you so much. Cheers.